journey begins where quality starts, on a modern, humane farm. Here, the journey begins on modern farms, where animals thrive in spacious, clean environments. Precision feeding ensures the highest quality from the start. On modern farms, animal well-being is paramount for quality sausage production. The journey begins, transporting fresh ingredients to our state-of-the-art facility. Precision and hygiene define every step, ensuring the integrity of our ingredients. Dedicated American workers uphold the highest standards of safety and quality. Skilled butchers meticulously transform raw materials into precise primal cuts. Every cut is executed with practiced speed, transforming large sections into valuable components. From carcass to cut, the process demonstrates mastery over every portion. Each primal cut is precisely handled and moved, maintaining peak quality. Every belly is expertly separated, ensuring ideal dimensions for further processing. From skilled hands to organized storage, each cut is primed for its next role. Expert trimming specialists meticulously prepare the finest pork, ensuring ideal lean to fat ratios. Every cut is purposeful, aiming for the perfect balance of flavor and texture. Each cut is a testament to the artisan's dedication to quality and consistency. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The carefully prepared cuts are now ready for the next precise step in our sausage production journey. Precision feeding ensures uniform grinding, a crucial first step in crafting superior sausages. Solid cuts are transformed into coarse ground pork, preparing for the next stage of production. A meticulous worker inspects the ground pork, ensuring every batch meets rigorous quality standards. From vast bins, the finest, freshly ground pork begins its journey to become exceptional sausage. Precision blending begins, transforming the finest ground pork into the perfect base for our renowned sausages. Every batch is meticulously prepared, a testament to the unwavering commitment to quality in our products. Precision is key, as skilled hands blend the perfect balance of spices into the ground meat. The mixer gently combines ingredients, ensuring every part of the future sausage link is perfectly seasoned. Precision blending begins, transforming ingredients into a uniform, flavorful foundation. Through meticulous mixing, the perfect texture and color are achieved for quality sausage. The perfectly blended sausage mixture awaits its next transformation. The precisely mixed sausage blend is carefully transferred to the automated stuffer. With precision, the worker loads the delicate natural casing onto the stuffer's nozzle. The initial stuffing begins, filling the casing with the succulent meat blend. The sophisticated stuffing machine begins, precisely filling casings with the highest quality meat. Expert hands ensure each segment is perfectly formed, maintaining product integrity. Coiling gently, the long ropes are carefully prepared for the linking process. Each link is crafted with care, reflecting a commitment to quality. Precision machinery twists the sausage into perfect links, ensuring uniformity and quality at high speed. Skilled American workers ensure every link meets rigorous quality standards, maintaining perfection. Skilled hands meticulously prepare each sausage for the next crucial stage of production.
Make sure this chain goes on the top rack.
Got it. We need 2 more racks for this batch.
Every detail matters, ensuring consistent quality from start to finish. Skilled artisans oversee every detail, ensuring perfect flavor and texture development. With each passing moment, the hickory smoke infuses depth, creating that signature, rich, brown color. The smokehouse unveils its aromatic secrets, a testament to perfected craft. From the heart of the smokehouse, culinary perfection emerges, rich with savory aroma. Each link, a testament to quality, is prepared for its journey to the consumer. Precision and speed are key as sausages enter the blast chiller for rapid cooling. The blast chiller quickly reduces temperature, locking in freshness and quality. Chilled sausages begin their journey on the inspection line, ready for meticulous quality checks. Skilled workers meticulously observe each sausage, ensuring only the highest quality proceeds. Rigorous standards ensure every sausage meets our high expectations. Precision engineering guides each sausage portion swiftly along the automated packaging line. Each perfectly portioned group enters its individual thermoformed pocket, ready for secure packaging. Advanced automation ensures hygienic and efficient packaging, preparing products for consumers. Precision engineering ensures each sausage package is perfectly sealed, preserving freshness. With expert precision, the machine creates an airtight vacuum seal, locking in flavor and freshness. With a swift, clean cut, the machine separates the continuous film into individual, retail-ready packages. The perfectly packaged sausages now move onward, ready for distribution to consumers. Precision labeling ensures every package meets quality standards and consumer information needs. Robotic precision handles each package, ensuring efficient and hygienic boxing for shipment. From the production line, sausages move swiftly to distribution. Careful handling ensures quality as products move from storage to transport. Each pallet loaded with care, ready for delivery to consumers. Careful merchandising ensures products are fresh and appealing, ready for consumers. From meticulous production to your shopping cart, quality is paramount. Consumers choose products known for their superior taste and quality.